friends of mine. I hope you're happy. Tell them your name. Yeah, that's right, you little bastards. I got new friends now. I got cooler friends. They're much cooler than you. You tell them. You tell them, Dad. Right, and this is my new best friend. Hershey's Kisses. Oh, Hershey's Kisses. You tell him, Dad. You tell him, Dad. Yeah, I went to the ghetto to find them. I went to the fucking ghetto.
All you told me was that she grabbed your dick.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. You ain't never seen my friends before. These are my best friends. These are my new best friends. I love them, and I'm never gonna let them go because and fuck you, because I don't need any of your friends because I got the best new friends in town. You're the fucking best. Yeah. You guys are my best friends.
That is the most disgusting! National Geographic. This shit is like Oscar nominee winning.
Yeah! It's taken me 30 years to find you, bald man! It's taken 30 years to find you! Give me the chocolate, bald man! Give me the chocolate! Give me the chocolate! Give me the chocolate!